Hello again, coming to you with a great new video. A novel, N-O-V-E-L, means a new. So try to change your vocabs from old structures to new one. Instead of saying new, say novel. Okay, coming back to you with a novel video. This one is about me or I. Me or I. Me or I. When can you say me? When can you say I? It is not the structure you have gained before, no, but it's just something confused for most students. Is it here me or I? Is it us or we? When can we differentiate between both? And also it's about completing the abbreviations forms, stance forms, short forms, and also is about at the end of the video there is a great important and essential point. So please don't skip the video till the end just to see and have the benefits of all these video. Now let's go to the first one. Me or I, us or we. Let's go together. Okay, now me or I, me or I. When can you say me or I? Okay, all of us know that we can say me or I for some places, but there is a confusion for some students to use me or I. Example, if I say Ali and left school. Ali and me or and I, which one? Me or I? It's I, yes. Ali and I left school. But not me, that's wrong. So Ali and I left school. Good. Let's see another example. My dad gave my sister and choose me or I a new gift. My dad gave my sister and me or I a new gift. The answer is yes, me, but not I. Why? Why here I used me and there I used I? Why? When can we do that? When can we say me or I? Good. You have to know the word subject and the word object. So subject at the start of a sentence. If you are added to a start of a sentence as a subject, like Ali is a subject at the first of a sentence, you have to say and I, because this I is a subjective pronoun. We use I in the start. For example, if it is not Ali, you will say what? Me or I? I left school. I left school. So you have to say Ali and I. So Ali and I left school because Ali is a subject and I is also a subject. Here, this is a subject. What we call in Arabic, this is in Arabic, subject, the first word in a sentence. Number one in a sentence. Good. What is object? Object is after the verb. Before the object, there is a verb. So after the verb, it's object. If the noun before you is object after the verb, so you have to say objective pronoun, not I. It's me. How? Look at me here. My dad, subject. Gave is a verb. This verb followed by object my sister, and object pronoun me, not I. So if it is object pronoun, it's me. If it is subject pronoun, it's I. Now you know when can you say me or I. Let's see the second part of the video. Now erase me do. Good. Let's go to say about the short forms to complete previous video. Short forms is about apostrophe D. Have you heard, have you watched before? Apostrophe D? Yes, what is it? Okay, look at me here. I'd go early. Okay, I'd gone early. So what difference? It's I'd. The same, but here the verb is go, here the verb is gone. And gone is number 3 of go. Go is number 1. So why apostrophe D followed by number 1 of a verb, go, and here followed by number 3 of a verb, go? It's gone. Because the first one means would. Yes, would. So I would go. If you have the first form of a verb, I would. I'd go means I would go. I'd play. I would play. I'd sleep. I would sleep. I'd speak. I would speak. But if it is followed by the third form of a verb, it's had. It is what? It's had. So I had gone, I had gone. I had spoken English. I had written English homework. So I had gone means I had. I'd go means I would. So it is would or had. It is would or had. Apostrophe D. That's good. What is apostrophe VE? Have you heard or watched apostrophe VE? Yes. It's only just to have. So apostrophe VE means have. So if you say I have got a car, means I have got a car. I have got a car. Okay, apostrophe LL. What is it? It's well. Sorry, apostrophe LL means well or shall in the future. So for example, if you say I'll visit my uncle. So I'll visit my uncle means I will visit my uncle. So this is now apostrophe D, would or had, apostrophe VE, have, apostrophe L, well or shall, I'll visit my uncle, I shall visit my uncle, or I will visit my uncle. Now the last one of abbreviation, then go into the last part of this great video. Okay, let's see. The last part of the abbreviation is saying want. What is want? It means well, not. So want means well, not, and the pronunciation that equals for the same sound is want, but this is a verb, means need. So want means need. Want means need. But want, this is a verb, but want here means well, not. Well, not. The negation of future. I will go. I will not go. I won't go. But here, I want a car. I want your pen. I want some money. I need here. So the same sound, but different in meaning. Thank you. Now to the last part. Last part is about this verb, born, in the third form. Born. If you want to talk about your birth, the noun is birth, noun. Noun is birth. If you want to talk about date of birth, I say when. Were you born? When were you born? Were born about you. When were you born? You say I was born in 1976. So I was born and was born, were born. Always born preceded by was or were. So always you say was born or were born. I was born. He was born. She was born. It was born. They were born. You were born. We were born. Always in the past. Passive. So this is number one. Second is about married. Married is the third form of marry. Marry, the third form of marry. So married, married, yes, good. Now married, from the noun marriage. The noun, good. What you say here is should be followed by got in the past, not get. Got in the past. You say, I got married. I got married means I have a wife. I have a wife means I have a wife. So I got married. I have a wife. I got married. Okay. If you say no wife, we separated, no wife now. You say what? You say got divorced. Divorced. Got divorced. I got divorced. I got divorced. 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 Got divorced. But don't say I divorced or I married. That's wrong. I got married. He got married. He got divorced. They got divorced. They got married. So born, married, divorced in the past, always with another verb. Here verb to be was and were, and this one is get, but in the past always got. Got married, got divorced, was born, were born. Now you have to know this video is a grade 1 and short for 3 points. The first one is about the me or I, me or I, when you can say that for subjective or objective. Second is about the abbreviation for I'll, I will, won't, will not, I have, I had, or I would, and so on. And the last point is about just when you say born, was born, were born, or married, you say got married, divorced, you say got divorced, but it is not divorced. That's wrong. The sound is t, divorced. And with the sound t, I have to say to you goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for today's lesson.